So you know what, I have been watching for a very long time. These days people are making videos related to ChatGPT, that how they can improve their English by using ChatGPT. So in this video I'm gonna do something little bit same but not exactly. In this video I will compare ChatGPT with humans. So what I'm gonna do here is that I'm gonna compare ChatGPT with AC Fluency, and you guys will tell me at the end of the video that which one is better. So let's start this video without wasting your time. Okay, so let's get into the video. So here is the icon of ChatGPT, if you can see. So right now I'm gonna use ChatGPT and you guys will watch it. So let's start talking with ChatGPT and let's see that how it will work. Okay. Hey ChatGPT, how are you?
Hey there, I'm doing great, thanks for asking. How about you? Feeling ready for a fun chat or just a casual catch-up?
Okay, I'm also fine. Actually, I'm shooting video, and in this video I have to show that how people can use you and how they can improve their communication skills. So are you ready for that?
Oh, absolutely, I'm all in. Let's make it fun and helpful. You just ask away and I'll do my best to help everyone polish up their communication.
Okay, that's really nice. So please give me some tips that how I can build my communication, and if I'm beginner, so how I can improve my communication skills.
You've got me as your practice buddy. You can chat with me daily, ask questions, share thoughts, or even role-play conversations. I'll help correct mistakes or suggest better phrasing. Plus, if you want, I can give you prompts, vocabulary exercises, or pronunciation tips. Think of me as a judgment-free zone where you can practice endlessly.
That's really nice. So please give me some tips and tricks by which I can improve my English if I am beginner.
For sure. Start small, pick common phrases and use them daily. Watch English shows or YouTube channels with subtitles, then mimic the pronunciation. Practice speaking out loud, even if it's just talking to yourself. And don't cram, do a little every day. Finally, if you're unsure, ask me to break down tricky words or grammar. Step by step, you'll get fluent.
Oh, that's really nice. So whenever I do mistakes, will you make me correct?
Absolutely. Whenever you slip up, I'll gently point it out and guide you toward the right way. We'll make those mistakes stepping stones, not roadblocks.
Okay, that's great. So you know what? I does my breakfast.
It sounds like you meant to say, you know what? I had my breakfast. But no worries, this is exactly how you learn. Keep going.
So I have spoken wrong English, like I have spoken that I does my breakfast, and ChatGPT corrected me. ChatGPT said that I had my breakfast, you should say. So yeah, this is the best way of learning this language with any chatbot. So if you are a beginner or above than beginner level, even if you have fear meanwhile talking with the people, so you can talk with chatbot, and this chatbot will not judge you, seriously, and you will learn a lot with this ChatGPT. Okay, this will make you correct whenever you do mistakes and all. So, and this will not judge you, so it's really very nice. So let's head on to our next app, which is AC Fluency. Okay, so let's try that app, and then after you will tell me that which one you will gonna use. So if you can see over here, so okay, so if you can see over here, so this is the icon of AC Fluency and you can download it from your Play Store. So let's make a call on AC Fluency and let's learn that how it will work. Okay, front end of this app is something like that. So I'm gonna make call. Okay, it's connecting.
Hello. Hello.
Can you hear me?
Hello.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you properly. So hi,
Hello.
how are you?
Yes, I'm audible too. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. So hi, how are you?
Thank you first. Yeah. Thank you so much, Ria. And I'm great. And I just turned on this application and I tried to connect the people, but here is network problem. Sorry for that. Might be you're getting some network issue from my.
No.
So Ria, where are you from?
Okay, so I'm from UP and you?
Oh, that's nice. I also part of the UP. So
So,
which city do you live?
so I belong from Kanpur and you?
Hey, you are my neighborhood.
Okay,
I
so
come from Lucknow.
okay, that's
But,
really nice. So what do you
yeah,
do?
but I would tell you. But currently I reside in Noida. So
Okay.
I started working. I recently got a job. So I started working the travel domain and the flight department.
Oh,
So
that's
and
really nice.
yeah. Oh, sorry. What about you? What do you do for a living?
Okay. So last year I've completed my graduation and now I'm gonna do my masters, and apart from that I'm a content creator. And you know what, one thing, that I'm creating video in which I'm gonna, like, for that I'm recording your voice and I'm telling my viewers that how they can use AC Fluency for improving their English. And yeah, like maybe the video will be uploaded on my channel so you people will listen your voice.
Oh my God. I'm literally now getting shy.
No, you don't need to get shy. So as you can see guys, that I have talked on AC Fluency and I also talked with ChatGPT, and I like both ways for improving the English. So if you are a beginner, so you can use ChatGPT, and if you have little bit courage, so you can also use AC Fluency, and this will help you a lot really for improving English. So from now you will not make any kind of excuses that I don't have environment, I don't have anybody to talk to. You have people in your phone. I hope you like this video. I've enjoyed a lot making this video. Okay, so we will meet in the next video. Till then, take care and please keep on practice. Keep on practice. There's not any other way.